winter time and it's a great opportunity to use some of the items that we have dried from the summer. So we're going to make some cold brew tea. And in front of us right now we have some chamomile, lemon balm, and some lavender. All of these items are not from last year. The chamomile is from a couple years ago and so is the lavender, but the lemon balm is from this year. These items can stay dry as long as they're in a container, like a glass container, or a plastic container. As long as it's kept away from light, it can last a long time. So what we're going to do next is make our tea blend. So they will open up their tea ball. We got some cool ones here. And they will decide how much of each dried item they will put in their tea ball to make their cold brew tea. In our home, we really love making tea blends, and each person blends a little differently, and that's the fun part because you can try it one way. You can have the same 3 items and you can have a different outcome at the end depending on how much you put of each item each time you make tea. And so this is the part that we really enjoy as a family. And once they get the items in their tea ball, and they have enough of the items, they'll put the tops onto the tea ball to secure the items. And it is super important that your top is secure, because what you don't want to have happen is all the items fall out of there because you didn't make sure your top was secure. So make sure it's secure all the way around. And once you do that, you can drop it into the cold water. Now, cold brewed tea takes longer than regular tea that's brewed hot, but it's still just as good. So they will put this in the refrigerator, and hours later, they can take it out and you can leave it as long as you want. Some people do this overnight. They do it at nighttime, and in the morning, their tea is ready. So this is just another way you can use those dry items in your garden. And remember, anyone could be a gardener. You just have to get ready, get set, and grow.